Yesterday, an incredible shot made by an Hubble Telescope team captured by many eyes-dropping attentions. It happens that the Hubble managed to capture something that will happen in 4.5 billion years, millions of years. It is a class of galaxies which fortunately we will not be witnessing. According to the images, the Milky Way will hit Andromeda, a neighbouring galaxy with a diameter of approximately 220,000 light-years, that is 150,000 light-years old. In this way, the scientific community has highlighted the work carried out by the advanced team. The work has allowed the team to have the possibility of knowing a historical event that will happen in a very distant future. According to the information released by NASA, the spiral galaxy NGC 5953 and NGC 5954 will merge, causing the planetary collision. This process, which is in the initial phase, is estimated to last several 100 million years until it culminates. Moment of impact will be caused by enormous gravitational pull of this universe. It is precisely this characteristics that will be responsible for generating a huge elliptical galaxy after the inevitable collision. According to some calculation by more experienced astronomers, this will not happen for more than another 100 million years approximately. So what do you think? Can this collision happen to our own galaxy, or it's already happening in our backyard?